So in this very lesson, we want to look at question number 9 of the 2025 wassce core maths objective questions. Question number 9. What does it say? A man cycles a distance of 3a kilometers at v kilometers and then walks a distance of a kilometers at v minus 7 kilometers per hour. We want to find the total number of hours he spent traveling. The total number of hours he spent traveling. So let's have our solution. So in solving this question, how are you going to approach it? How are you going to solve this particular question? So in doing it, we are going to split this into two, the cycling aspect and then the walking aspect. So we have the cycling. So a man cycles a distance of 3a. So we have our distance. Our distance is what? 3a at v kilometers per hour. So this is the speed that he cycled with. So we have our speed is equal to v. Now let's move on to the walking aspect. So we have walking. And then walks a distance of a kilometers. So we have our d is equal to a at v minus 7 kilometers per hour. That becomes our speed. So our speed is v minus 7 kilometers per hour. Now our interest is to find what? The time. The time in terms of what? Hours. Now we know that speed is giving us distance all over time. Now our interest is to find what? Time in hours. So we have to make t the subject. So when we make t the subject, we are going to get r t is equal to what? Distance all over speed. So we are going to find the time in each of these aspects, the cycling and then the walking. So we have our t is equal to distance. Our distance is 3a all over speed. Our speed is what? V. Then we move to this aspect. Our time is equal to distance over what? Speed. So our distance is a all over the speed, v minus what? 7. Now to find the total number of hours spent traveling, that is the time, the total time, we are just going to add these two times together. So to find the total time spent traveling, we are going to add the time spent cycling and then the time spent walking together. So we have time spent cycling, we have 3a all over v plus time spent walking, we have a all over v minus 7. So this is the total time spent traveling. So once we have this, we are going to look through the possible answers to see if we have this answer. So looking through the set of possible outcomes, we can see that the right answer is A. See you tomorrow on question number 10. Bye bye.